beauty viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you for the growth so far as the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Let's prepare some tiger nut milk. Yes, we all know that tiger nuts have lots of nutrients. It boosts the immune system. It's also a natural aphrodisiac and very good for men. I hope you understand what I mean. And also very good for the lactose intolerant folks. This recipe of mine is creamy, rich, nourishing, and has the right amount of sweetness. Yes, so we don't joke with it. So you know what? Let's get started. So I have my freshly washed and soaked tiger nuts. I soaked this tiger nuts for 2 days. Yes, it makes it rehydrated. So when I blend it, I get more liquid out of it. Then I have my coconuts. I have chopped them into blendable sizes. Yes, I want to enjoy the coconut milk. And then I have my ginger. I have also washed neatly and chopped them without peeling it because I want to incorporate the skin of the ginger also in my drink. And then I have my dates here. We all know dates have natural sugar and they are very good for this juice. It has some creaminess and some sweetness and color to it. So join me, let's put everything together. So first and foremost, I remove the seeds out of the dates. You don't need to blend the seeds or they're gonna break your blender. So I carefully remove the seeds one after the other like I'm doing here. And trust me, dates are very good for our health. They contain natural sugar. So you see, everything of mine is natural. No preservative, no sugar, no additive, and it tastes great. So I wash my tiger nuts for like about 3 times. Yes, I've washed it already, but for camera purposes, I have to wash it again. So I wash it and then straight into my blender. So you can see they are quite many, so I have to divide them into 2. So I'll do the first part and then do the second part. So I add a bit of the coconut to it, and then I also add my ginger to it. Then I add my dates. I add some water to it. And then I blend them to a very smooth consistency. So you can see it's doing very good. Wow, very creamy and smooth. So I strain it like about 2-3 times. So this is my first straining, you can see. So I use the normal sieve or strainer to do the first one, and the juice or the milk coming out is creamy. Yes, so I strain all, and then I add some water to the chaff to rinse it, and then I strain it again. You can choose to re-blend it again, but I just added water to it to rinse it. You can see, wow, very creamy and so sweet. And then now I'm going to strain it again with my cheesecloth. So you see, yeah. So after using the cheesecloth, this is my results, and it's so rich, so thick. My family and friends, you need to be here. So you see, here we go. I have bottled some, so I'll just add some cubes, and then I serve myself. And it's so sweet, so tasty, so creamy, and like I said, a natural aphrodisiac. So please try this at home and send me a comment. I love you guys. God bless you. Share this video to your family and friends. Bye bye.